Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new, my name is Katie and I live in Barcelona, Spain, and I'm currently getting my master's in marketing. And today's video is actually really exciting. It's an apartment hunting video in Barcelona. Unfortunately, I lost a lot of the footage that I had filmed on this day, kind of explaining the whole situation, and the only footage that I actually have is the footage of the apartments, which is a good thing, so I can show you guys all of the units that we looked at. But first, to clarify the situation, I am not getting a new apartment for myself. I still have my same apartment that you guys know very well, but my boyfriend has been in the market for a new apartment, so that is what we were doing on this day, looking for a new apartment for him. And just to give you the basics, he was looking for a 1-bedroom or a studio, and yeah, I'm very excited to get started and show you guys which one he ended up picking, so stay tuned to find out. Starting off with apartment number 1, this was a very beautiful, grand building, super central on Rambla Catalunya, which is a really beautiful street. It was also super close to Plaza Catalunya, which is extremely central. This was a sort of split apart studio, so when you walk in, there's like a narrow hallway, goes into this sort of living room, kitchen space. But the winning feature was definitely the really huge balcony with an incredible view and so much sunlight. This balcony was super stunning, had a view of Plaza Catalunya, and here's the street below. And when you go back inside, you can see the living space more clearly. The kitchen was also super nice, though granted not very big. And when you go down the hallway where you first enter the apartment is the bathroom and the little bed area, which you can also close off. The view wasn't great, and ultimately this apartment was just a little bit too expensive for the size, and my guess is that the walls are very thin because we could hear the neighbors' music pretty loudly from the hallway, so he ultimately decided against it. This brings me to apartment number 2, which was in a really cute building, and the unit itself was super well furnished. It was just really small, so the bathroom, kitchen, and living area did not have any external windows. So the one window you can see here is the little dining table and the couch. There's a small window that goes to the elevator, and then the actual bedroom was the only room with natural light. And it was a really cute bedroom, and overall it was a really cute apartment, but ultimately not enough of an upgrade to be worth the move, since my boyfriend's old apartment already had a bedroom with a balcony, and it just wasn't enough of a change, and the living space was pretty small, so ultimately he decided against this one as well. The next apartment we looked at was a true studio apartment located in the Gothic quarter. This was the cheapest apartment that we looked at, and as you can see, it's a really cute decorated space. I mean, the bed is there in the living space, but that's just how it is when you have a studio. There was a couch and a full kitchen. However, with this apartment, the street that it was located on was super narrow and super small, which is very typical of the Gothic quarter, but that meant that the apartment basically had no direct sunlight, so overall it just kind of felt dark in there, and I think it would have felt dark even on really sunny days, so my boyfriend decided to pass on this one. So we decided to take a little bubble tea intermission because at this point morale was low and we weren't totally in love with any of the apartments that we'd seen so far. But this brings me to apartment number 4. This was one that we were both super excited about. As you can see, it has a really nice kitchen, dining space, and living room, and actually the bedroom also had a window to the street and huge closets. So this apartment was super nice. It had a lot of amenities and was really well equipped. The balcony also was really cute, not super huge, but also had a good view and got some sunlight. However, when we did visit it, it wasn't the brightest. Even though it did seem to get some sunlight, it still felt a bit dark and a little bit cramped in the apartment, despite how nice it is. As you can see, the kitchen is super well maintained, and there was a dryer and a washing machine, which is always a plus. I don't really know how to describe it, but despite the fact that this was a really nice unit, it just didn't have that the one feeling. Like, for example, the bed was really uncomfortable, and overall the space felt really nice, but just a bit small and cramped in, I don't know. And the bathroom was also really nice, super cute. There was nothing on the surface wrong with this apartment, but just decided against it. Alright guys, it's time for apartment number 5. This was an apartment I loved. So when you first walk in, you have the bathroom and the bedroom on the left. You have an exposed brick wall, which I love. And then you have this huge kitchen with a little peninsula and dining space, a big L-shaped couch in the living room, and you have also a little terrace in the back, which would have fit a small table, and it has a really nice view as well, and it's a little bit more quiet since it faces the back of all the buildings. And I really believed that this was the apartment that my boyfriend would pick because it's so stunning. Had a washer and a dryer, love that, and really pretty tile. The bedroom did not have a window that faced the exterior, so that was the one negative about this apartment in my opinion. But the bathroom was also super nice, but ultimately this one was just too expensive. So you guys, are you ready? Are you ready for the tour of the apartment that but like also me, because I was here for this process, decided for? Okay, so let me just first explain before I show you the tour. When you guys see the tour, this is actually when I toured it for the first time, and it was still being cleaned by the company, so that's why you can see like lots of cleaning supplies and things like that. But I did narrate the tour, so I will just let me from the past take it away and show you guys an empty tour of this apartment. And I'll go standing here. And when you first walk in, you see this is very tall ceilings, like super tall. You could fit like a lot of things here. And then here's a little mirror. And then the bathroom is here. So it's looking like this. It's also very big sink, like there's lots of storage, big mirror, shower with the shower head, and then a window as well. Then come out here. They're putting in this rug corner, bedroom, living room. And here is the kitchen, which is also really big. There's a dishwasher here. It's a big dishwasher as well. It's like very big. And then a washer. Here's the sink. It has like tools in there. It's still being cleaned right now from the last tenant. There's an oven. And then in this corner could actually go a desk. I mean, there is something already, but it could be like a desk study corner. And then this is the bedroom. It's also really big ceilings. Chair, could also put a desk there. And then closet. And also a mirror there. The living room, which is also really big. It's a lot bigger than I thought. Like you could put probably 2 full yoga mats or even 3 yoga mats in this space. The table is also huge. A lot of like 6 people can sit. Ceiling is super cute. This is a pull-out sofa, apparently. Then coffee table, small chair, TV, the tour. So a lot of space. Alright, that is today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that it was somewhat interesting to watch the apartment hunting process in Barcelona. I thought this would be kind of a fun video to film. I know it's a little bit different from my normal vlogs, though I'm sad that I lost the footage of me actually vlogging and talking to the camera about each of these apartments, because that would have been really fun to include, but that's okay. I hope the voiceover version was also fine. And I am excited to share with you guys all of the move-in vlogs and the videos that I have started filming in this new space. It's so nice. It's so bright. It just has like such good energy. That's something I don't think I mentioned like in the actual tour, is that this apartment basically checked all the boxes. It had so much space, it had so much light, and the kitchen and everything was just really perfect, and it just felt like it was meant to be, especially like when actually getting the apartment. It just really felt like this was the apartment. Everything just worked out really great. So that is this apartment hunting video. And I'm excited to update you guys on my life because actually it's been a long time since my last vlog, and I do have some exciting updates and just things in my life that are going on right now. This is my last week of term 2, and then I have a break, and then I'm going to start term 3 and have all these like skill seminars and like extra classes, and it should be a really fun summer in Barcelona. So that being said, thank you for watching for probably, I think I said that 2 or 3 times already, but I hope you guys are having a lovely day wherever you are, and I will see you very soon with my next video. Bye.